With the help of a pencil, we complete the outline of the fish and create its shape. To do this, we first draw a detailed design of the fish so we can understand where each part will go. We've prepared the full shape from top to bottom. Using the pencil, we've sketched the entire fish, and it already looks very beautiful. Now it will be easier for us to see how we can add colors inside it. We have also clearly separated all the different parts of the fish in the drawing, making it easier to use different colors for each section. In today's video, we'll learn how to draw a fish and fill it with beautiful colors to make it look attractive. First, we enhance the design of the fish, and then we start adding color. We begin by using red color. We apply red to the lower part of the fish and also fill the entire upper part with red to give the fish a vibrant and beautiful look. Next, we add blue color. We fill the upper part of the fish with blue, which makes the fish look even more striking. After filling it nicely with blue, we move on to green color. We use green in both the upper and lower parts of the fish, as well as inside its mouth, so the fish looks even more colorful and appealing. We fill these areas completely with green so the colors stand out. Finally, to complete the look, we draw black lines over the fish with a pencil. This adds definition and helps the fish take on its proper shape and detail.